What's going on? Today is it. Today is my initial ride. First ride of 2026. Had a ride headed to Rocklands BBQ in DC. So I said, you know what? I might as well take the boost out for a ride today and see how she runs. This is it. So far so good. Let's take a look at some of the bikes.
Okay.
A little chilly out today, but didn't stop several of us from coming out here. It's not too bad. What's going on? How you doing?
Do you actually roll race it?
Do
you actually roll race it?
Not yet. Might try a couple this year. Well, you see the straps.
Well, that's lowered, is it not?
Yeah, lowered, stretched, straps on it. So I said I might get my hand to try it this year, see what happens.
You'll just have to pull a lot of weight out of them.
I ain't gonna be pulling too much weight out of it. I like to ride, but I'm not in it that serious to where I'm out here racing people and everything.
Yeah,
but I don't mind having a little fun every so often.
I got a couple buddies that roll race and they're no headlight or they have the little ass LED.
Yeah.
Full, everything in the tail is gone. It's full race bearings.
Yeah, and maybe when I get another bike, I might, I'm gonna start stripping this one down. But as of right now, this is my everyday.
Yeah.
So
I was more just asking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, but sometimes I did that for the looks. Like I said, I might want to get out on it a little bit.
You want to find out? That's not that fast.
Huh?
That's not that fast. If you want to find out.
Okay. I like to give it a try. So, but I got to get a tune on mine. My tune's messed up and everything. So
stacks, filter, IAT relocation.
See, I got you by 100 pounds though.
Yeah, and you got the bike by probably 250. This is 397 pounds.
And that's another 100. I say it's about 100, about 410 or so, somewhere around there. So,
Right.
yeah. So you about 200-pound difference. But who knows? I'll let you whoop up on me for a little while.
Just for fun.
It's just for fun.
I don't race for money. I couldn't commit to lowering it anyways. I love it.
I like it. These bikes are beasts right here. So, but I see what I can do against you. So, just for fun.
It's never fun.
Yeah.
I have buddies who roll race seriously. I can't. It's too much.
It's too much for me.
When you start, no seat, no tail, all that shit, it's way too much for me.
Yeah, I'm just out here to have a little fun. But yeah, once I get a tune on it and everything, I'll be back out here again. We'll see what happens.
Sounds good, man.
So, all right.
What they call it? But you can't go over certain limits.
Looks like we had another Hayabusa roll up, so I'm not rolling alone.
I'll text you right now.
We got another Busa rolled up, so I'm not by myself today. That's a good thing.
So it'll work on your iPhone.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You got a use for that?
definitely. Appreciate it.
So it's up to you. If you want the bag, how are you going to store it? You'll stick it somewhere? Yeah. Run it. Use it.
That's good. What's up, Jess? How you doing?
What's good with you?
Not much. Glad to see you out.
See you too.
Yeah.
You brought your bike out, of course.
It's right down
I
there.
had to look at it. It wasn't too much. It's a Busa. How you doing?
That's right.
I'm still here.
Real boutique brand.
Still might go get the one that motorcycle that Dulles has.
Which one?
They have a full carbon F3RR. It's so cute.
I just cleaned my chain.
There's a few of us out here today. Got old ponytail over there, ready to roll. She been rolling all week. She been rolling hard, she says, huh? That's good.
Too hard. I gotta go home.
You gotta go home.
I gotta go to bed.
Hey, you need to do that. Rest a little bit. Like I said, it's my first night out, so.
You should ride. It's a beautiful ride out there too. It's a beautiful ride out there. Can we take you guys on?
Where we going?
Yeah.
Where we going tonight?
What is it called? I don't know. It's like some
Barbecue?
Some barbecue.
Yeah, Rocklands BBQ. Yeah, I'm going to ride. Yeah, I'm out here, so I might as well go on the ride. Since I'm out here. Yeah.
All right, for today's route, if you've been on the ride before, we're going the similar route. One small change. We're doing some road work on one section, so we've got a little deviation. It's quite a sharp right. One of the things we're going to face is a lot more tree cover. So the ground that we're going over is going to be mottled between shadow and sunlight. Now, if you're riding at pace, you're not going to be able to see anything that's on the road. The road is clean. I rode it twice today just to make sure. So trust the tarmac. There's nothing on the tarmac you need to be worried about. As you're coming through the trees, you'll see the sunlight when you're coming in. That tarmac is hard to pinpoint where the edges are, but trust the tarmac. It's clean. Okay.
As you can see, we made it. The Rocklands BBQ. Had a nice little ride through Rock Creek Park. Everybody made it safe. Thought one bike was overheating, but it was okay. We made it here. Everything's fine. We'll enjoy a little barbecue. They had some wings for us ready, so we're just slopping on some wings. Probably going here and order a little something, support the business that supports us. Cheeseburgers. Might get something. Who knows? Let me see.
So like maybe I go and ride it, but eventually I want to sell it, right? So what am I going to do? eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, whatever. So you're obviously scouring your website. What's your name?
Had to find parking where we can find parking.
You go ahead on the other side?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to because I'm over the phone.
Don't follow me.
That's what I said. I switched to the middle.
That would have been a sign and slap us right there. You get slapped, you get slapped. Everybody gets
Now
slapped.
he left bone.
But they gotta reset it. They pretty much gotta re-break it and set it again.
Down for another 2 months.